Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Claude AI isn't working right now. A lot of people are having this issue and I show you today some things that you can do to solve that problem. So the first thing that you can do right here is just restart your Claude AI. So do Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then we go to Task Manager, there it is. And then we select right here Claude. And make sure that you click here on End Task. Then right now we go to the search bar again, open it, and then most of the time this will fix the problem. Then the second one is go to the bottom, right here to your name, and click right here on Logout. Then after that, make sure that you log in again with your account details, and then after that, maybe it will work. So that is solution 2. Then the other solution is remove right here from the application and then search right here for Claude AI. And then we open it right here in our Google Chrome browser. And then most of the time it works right here. And you can also do the opposite. So if it won't work right here in your browser, make sure that you go right here to Claude AI download PC. Click right here on this link and then click here on Claude download page. And then make sure that you download right here the application for Claude AI. So you need to decide which way you want to work, but this is also a solution that you can use. And then when it's still not working, you can go right here to down detector and then we search right here for Claude and yeah, you can fill in right here exactly the same address that is standing right here. And then you can scroll down and check right here for some Claude AI problems reported in the last 24 hours. So right here we can see how many reports there are, and yeah, sometimes you have a massive spike right here with maybe more than 1,000 reports, and that is also a sign that there's something going wrong with the servers. So keep that also in mind. And when it's still not working after all the things that I showed you, make sure that you restart maybe your Claude AI application and your PC, update your drivers, and trust me, after all those options, it needs to work. Is it still not working? Please comment down below so I can help you out right here in the comments. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.